Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can save a CapCut video. So you have a project in CapCut and you would like to save the video. What you need to do in this case is when you are finished with the editing, you just need to go to this export button right here and you need to click on the export, and then you can give a name to the project and you need to choose the export location, so the export path where the video is going to be found. And you also have those other options, like you can have the watermark off if you have the pro version of CapCut. And after you are ready with all the settings, you just need to go to export, and after you exported the video you can click on this open folder and you are instantly going to find the video you just exported. Alright, so all in all, this is how to save CapCut video. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.